Remember the double up here. Grease that. I really forgot how chunky this gets, so fast. Oh, I love that rock roll. I went all the way to the top of that one.
You had so much speed down.
Brakes locked that whole time.
Yeah.
I jumped, I did that little rock step up there.
Which one? Oh, you did?
Just to jump, I just landed on the top of it and then rolled. God.
Fucking hell. I'm not going down this whale tail.
You're not?
No.
I'm gonna try it.
Alright, go for it.
Hey, is it a jump into it or is it a roll on? Do you remember? Cool. Oh, hell yeah. Whew. Oh shit, that's a lot of speed. Woo! That was awesome.